Preparing a meal that is, of course, delicious and impressive for a special guest in your own kitchen can be a challenge. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a perfect recipe for you with black peppercorn shrimp. So let's get started. Let's make the marinade. Now let's marinate the shrimp. While the shrimp is marinating, let's prepare the fried rice. Time for the dipping sauce. Now let's cook the shrimp. Set your timer for 7 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Black peppercorns can be traced back to India thousands of years ago. They originated in India's Malabar coast around 2000 BCE. Black peppercorns became one of the world's most traded and influential spices, shaping global trade, exploration, and cuisine. They look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. These black peppercorn shrimp combine the aromatic and slightly spicy punch of black peppercorns with the rich savory depth of umami flavors. Let's try the fried rice. The fried rice is great for added complexity to the overall dish. Let's try one with the dipping sauce. Wow, the dipping sauce is amazing and it adds even more brightness to the overall dish. You and your guests will absolutely love this dish. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one delicious and impressive meal. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.